Welcome to the final episode of Flashbacks to Lifehacks. So back in the arcade, there was one game that didn't just test your skill, it tested your stamina. And that game was track and field. No joystick, just 2 run buttons and a jump button. You had to be willing to work harder than your opponent or the computer. See, and this game didn't lie. There was actually a bar that showed you your speed and how fast you were running. You can see the exact distance of each throw or how far you jump. It was a great simulator for progress tracking. If you didn't make the qualification, the game ended. Simple as that. In flight test, I live by the numbers. We didn't just say, oh, that was a good test point, or that test point felt okay. We looked at the angle of attack, the airspeed, the altitude, the G-forces. We tracked the data to find the gaps. So whether you're training for a marathon or trying to master a new software product at work, if you're not tracking your progress, it's just a guessing game. So here's the Gouge. Success is a series of small wins, not one giant leap. In track and field, you don't break the world record on the first button mash. You focus on shaving off 1/10 of a second, getting a foot longer in the jump, and making the next qualification. Success is the accumulation of manageable victories. Okay, time for the final level up. Choose one thing in your life you want to improve and define your level 2 challenge. Don't try to win the gold medal today. Just find the metric that is slightly better than your current average and hit it. Track the progress, hit your goal, and repeat as required. So in this series, we've looked at everything from electric football to erector sets. These weren't just toys, they were life simulators giving us the tools we need for success. So now you've got the Gouge, it's time to level up. This has been Flashbacks to Lifehacks. Check out any episodes you missed in the link at the end